Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to remove Active Now in Instagram account, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove Active Now on our Instagram account when you're online, first open up the Instagram app, and from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon in a small circle at the bottom right. Tap on it, and on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see your three lined icons. Tap on that three lined icon, and over here guys you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the messages and story replies. Tap on messages and story replies, and over here guys where you can see where it says the who can see your online, tap on show activity status, and where it says, and here it says show activity status, tap on that, and that will be turned off, which means that guys the Active Now status on your account will be removed from your Instagram account even though you're online. And there guys, this is how to remove Active Now in Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.